Hey you guys, welcome to my channel Styling with Shirin. And in this video I'm gonna do, cleaning my face and doing like, cleanup, the weekend cleanup. So, it's really important to clean that gunk out of your skin at the end of the week, because in the weekdays we are all really busy and we don't take care of our skin as much we should do. So we should really spend some time for ourselves, cleaning our skin, a beautiful faces in the weekends. So yeah, without any further, let's get started. So today, after cleansing my face, I'm gonna be using the Pond's charcoal anti-pollution facial kit for myself. Aloe extract skinny facial vibes. I got this from Nika and these are working really good, and you can see I'll do it in front of you guys. On top of this I poured this, so it works more good than it does. I don't know, my nose started being itchy, guys. See, it's a lot of makeup. You see, a lot of makeup. You can see it's just so much. Oh, can you see the makeup? God, layer of makeup. So excited to use this. It has 6 products in it: face wash, scrub, revitalizing cream, deep massage cream, peel off mask, and pollution protect cream. So let's just tie our hair. We'll be doing the first step, which is face wash. Oh, my skin is so dry right now. We're gonna use the face wash. It's the cool. Oh, the face wash is so cool. It is this charcoaly kind of a thing. I like it. Let's see how it works on my skin. I'm so excited. Oh, it's irritating my eyes. It's like burning my eyes. So I've partially dried up my skin and I feel quite nice. I don't feel like stretchy. My face doesn't feel stretchy. It's time for the scrub. So I'm gonna use this. Let's see how it looks. It looks like a walnut scrub. I don't know. It's charcoal, it's walnut. What it is? It says how to apply it. Circular movements for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Who does the face scrub for 5 to 7 minutes, guys? Who does it? If you do, tell me in the comment section below, because you should not do it like more than 2 minutes. Like it's the minimum time, maximum time. Where is this scrub has like tiny little particles. They're not bothering me like too much, but the smell is really nice. I'm gonna wash it off. So like wash this off and I feel like quite clean. My pores feel clean. So yeah, it feels nice. So the third step is Nourishing Cream. It says apply over the neck and fingertips till it absorbs. So I'll just apply it. Oh, the consistency of this cream, it's quite like gel-like. It's like gel kind of consistency. Wow, it smells really nice. Feels really nice. Wow, the texture of this cream is really nice. Quite like it. I really like it. It smells so like a baby soft cream. I love it. Now the step 4 is the massage cream. I'm not gonna massage for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just gonna massage. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take really less because I'm not gonna massage for like this long always. So we'll take this cream. It's thick cream. Quite like it. The smell is really nice. It's like baby cream. Okay. I'm gonna do like a nice uplift with this cream. I'm not gonna do massage like this. I'm just gonna gently do this thing. Uplift my face. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes since I'm doing this. I'm gonna move on to the next wipe this cream off my face with water or with any wipe. I'm gonna use water and wipe it off. So I feel so soft. My skin feels so soft and flushed, like the blood is flowing really fast, and I feel like pink warmth. And I'm really enjoying this. So I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is the peel off, which is with me right here. Let's see. I'm gonna do directly. We'll wait for a few minutes to let it set, and then we'll move on to the next step. That's the last step, is the finishing cream. So yes, and we just scrub off our lips and get going. I'll just make that. Till my face pack is drying, I'm gonna make the lip scrub. For that I need a little bit of sugar, some vaseline. Just scoop the vaseline, a little bit of vaseline. I'm just gonna put in this. So put the vaseline. Honey. So I'm gonna put some honey as well. Take some lemon and just pour some juice out of it. Just a little bit. So my peel off is done. I'm gonna remove this. So I've washed my face. You can clearly see I have been like flushed red because my blood is flowing really fast, and this is like, you know, to recover all the plumpiness on your face. So I'm gonna move on to my lip scrub, which I made. This is the lip scrub. Nice lip scrub. So I'm wow. Scrub the lips so soft. You see the lips have become like a little plumpier. So now I'm going to use this Good Vibes facial mist just to soothe my skin. Feels really nice. It's the lavender mist I really like. After all of this massage, I need an aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel. This from Untitled. Put tons of. Now I'm gonna put this last finishing cream on my skin. It's a thick cream and it smells really nice. It smells quite nice. I kind of like the smell. It's like giving me this whitening effect. I don't know why. Points Light Moisturizer Gel. This thing as like a sleeping mask on my face. Really like it. It's one of the best moisturizer in budget. Take a generous amount of this and put it as my sleeping mask. And here's the final result. Moisturizing my lips, I'm going to use the Vaseline. It's one of the best lippies out there. And my skin feels really plump and moisturized. And yeah, I'm ready to go to bed. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys.